Hey guys, what's up YouTube? This is James on my review of the Thermaltake Poseidon Z blue switch mechanical keyboard. Now, the reason I wanted to invest in a mechanical keyboard because this membrane keyboard, let's bring up Notepad. Where are you, Notepad? Okay, there's Notepad. So, this is the membrane keyboard. And really just soft, squishy keys. And this is the mechanical keyboard. Very crisp, very clean, very quick reaction. And all in all, I'm very happy with this keyboard. It comes pretty good, pretty well packed. And when I first received this keyboard, one of my first thoughts was, damn, this bitch is heavy. It's got the Thermaltake logo, the 5-year warranty on the mechanical switches, blue switch sticker, got the multimedia keys, the brightness keys, and the disable Windows key, which I know for some gamers is vital. I play StarCraft and League of Legends, so I really don't ever graze over that key. You don't get much in the box. This is a very naked keyboard. There's not even a braided cable. When you open it up, it comes bubble wrapped. And you get, what is this? A quick installation guide. It's only one page. You just plug it in and start playing. It's not that hard. And warranty policy in like 20 different languages. It's pretty interesting. So my only complaint with this keyboard is that this, I'm pretty sure, is the max brightness. Oh no, that's the max brightness. It has 4 different brightness settings. Even on its lowest setting, it's pretty bright. I'm not sure if it's just my eyes or whatever, my drug history. I've experimented heavily with hallucinogens. Very fun. But I seem to get trails from it, and it's really hard to focus, and it makes my head feel funny. But for people that don't have that issue, I'm pretty sure this would be the lowest setting. Is definitely pretty bright. The whole back is lit up. Not sure exactly how they do that, or if it's single key, but I know it illuminates through the whole keyboard. The cable is just a basic plastic cable. It's a lot thicker, about 4 gauges thicker than my membrane keyboard. And the USB tip is plain silver or whatever they use, not gold plated, which would have been pretty nice. This keyboard is pretty heavy. Let's see, when I drop it, I'm gonna drop this one. That just sounds like a floppy piece of shit. This thing is very sturdy. That was one of the very first things I noticed about it, is its weight and its sturdiness. Feels like you're holding a piece of metal. The typing on it, the key reaction is pretty nice. I mean, see, it's not even bottomed out there. That's bottomed out, but it hits about maybe not even a centimeter down. It's really nice. Really responsive. Very nice for my my hotkeys, my shifts, controls, alts, and it also has got this little, what's it called? Fucking little. I wish I could lock the keyboard, but it's got this little notch on the back where you can route the cable out, which either side to get out of the way. It's pretty nice. It's not bad. I definitely am going to be utilizing that. And it's also got rubber feet, even if it's not standing or the feet are up or down. Let's see. This is hard to do. I'm on a cell phone. So it raises up pretty nice. It doesn't move. You gotta really put some force into it to move it. So that right there, that's pretty awesome to me. How something so little can just make it that much sturdier. And this keyboard was like $70. Definitely, if you're in the market, but not in the high-end market of actually going to WASDkeyboards.com or whatever, and you can, the fully customizable, pick your switches, pick each keycap color, and running you about $150, $200, or I forget what the prices are. Even investing in a Razer, which the Razer backlit keyboard with the orange switches is like $150 or something like that. One of the main things that made me stray towards this keyboard was all the positive reviews that I read on it, saying how amazing it performs and for the price. I really would have liked it if they would come out with the 10 keyless. As you can see, my space is limited here, so if I was to be able to have my mouse pad here, I could still keep my mouse here, but then also, hypothetically, if that's where the keyboard would end, I would have a much shorter distance in between my hands, which would enable me to go over all the way more for these hotkeys. Don't really use them, but it's about a good 3.5 inches. It would have saved a lot of room, and I know the CM Storm Rapid Fire, they have a 10 keyless model, and it looks really nice. I was actually gonna buy that one. That one was like $90 with blue switches or brown, I forget which one. But I'm definitely happy with this keyboard, and like this video, don't like it. This was just some leisure kind of bored activity. I hope you guys enjoyed my review.